Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, Croatia? Okay, so people, to be honest with everyone, firstly, I want to say big up to all the Croatians out there. You guys are here today again. It is definitely not my first time being in Croatia, but it's definitely my first time knowing of Marko Bošnjak. Yeah, Marko Bošnjak, right? And the song that I'll be reacting to, it's called Poison Cake, Acoustic. Bro, what? Poison Cake. This title is literally bizarre itself. So I want to see if this artist gonna display same thing that is coming from the title in his music. Right, Marko? So please, as a Jamaican here, I would love to see what you're going on with in your music. So with all the Croatia people, enough love. Big up to everyone. So with this being said, let's go. Peace. Alrighty, so this is his voice. This is his original voice. This is the magical voice. Okay, Marko. Okay, I've seen your capabilities, so I want to hear what's up because this is gonna be lit. I'm sorry. Yo, bro got a magical, outlandishly sounding, beautiful voice. Damn, bro. To be honest, it's my first time learning that Croatia joined this competition, bro. So how the heck I did not notice that? Like, bro, they are coming in strong and fast. It's a better kind of last thing. Whoa, so the woman, she's playing the piano while he's doing it acoustically. Nice! Bro, this is definitely a nice thing to look at, bro. The sounding of his voice, the display of his music, it's definitely a complete package. Rock up! Rock up! Rock up! Yo! Yo! This is Mars! This is Mars! Nog! Oh my god! Poison cake. Oh wow, who the heck is this guy? Yo, who the heck is this guy? He's killing it! This guy's killing it! Extraordinary. The message is freaking dope. This guy is definitely a force to be reckoned with. One last thing, a sprinkle. Oh my god. Bro, as a guy, I ain't gonna lie, his voice is freaking amazing. Like, listen to his vocals. Listen to the words that is coming from his mouth. Like, his voice is good, but with the good voice, you can have also have a good voice and you can't sing, right? You can't display the story as it should. But this guy is showing everything as a musician. Whoa. Sometimes, bro, I'm thinking that the girl is singing with him when that's not definitely so. His voice captivates a woman's voice. Like, oh the fuck? Like, where's the possibility? Then, holy crap, then it is possible because I'm literally hearing his voice in the woman's voice. Like, this is freaking phenomenal. Think that I know you like. Death is better to smile. So it's not your phone that you carried away. You lost your pace when you started to beg. Shit! Rap, rap, rap! Oh, don't be scared. You oh! Blah, blah, blah. Yeah! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I know he's capable to do that. I know he's capable to do that. Very well done, Marko. Very well done. Very well done. Croatians, that was a very excellent performance. Excellent song. Very great, show. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, bro. Peace.